Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to add a custom WebDynpro application in SAP Enterprise Portal. I've just created this demo application. So it is simple application, just entering the name and I'm going to print the same thing in output. So just a simple demo application. So let's see how we are going to add this in a portal in a separate tab and let's take it as a separate tab. So go to content administration and then select portal content and then right click and create a new folder. So this folder is like a custom folder, so where we are going to add all our custom related views, pages, worksheet, roles, etc. So this is going to be like a custom package. So here I'm adding as a demo folder. I'm giving a folder ID and description, and then in the namespace application you have to enter custom name like com.mycompany.com, or you can specify your own details there. So for demo purpose I'm just giving com.mycompany. So if you go to demo folder, and the folder is created successfully in the under the portal content. So this is for all our custom developments for the portal. So I'm closing this, and then we will try. After closing this, we have to create first is view, and then page, next is worksheet, and we have to finally create a role, and then we have to assign that role to the user to which this tab should appear. So now right click on the folder you created and click on iViews. So it will open iView. In this you select WebDynpro iView. Drop down, come down, and you will be able to see WebDynpro iView, and then click next. So though in the next page you specify the name. So here you can specify unique name. So I am just creating iView_demo, and then iView ID you can give it blank, or you can give the same name. If you leave it blank, system will generate its own ID, and then prefix you can enter the same com.mycompany.com. Language by default is English, and here this is important detail. So namespace should be SAP, and the system ID you have to create the system alias name, which you can get it from basis, and the application name which you created, the WebDynpro. So against the application name you specify the WebDynpro application name, and client remaining things you can give it as standard configuration as SAP SRM, etc. and then click on finish. So you will get a pop-up that this is iView is created successfully. Okay, so then you click on open the object for editing. So this is just to show you how the iView will look like after you create. So if you want to modify any of the properties, you can click on modify properties. So I'm just I closed it. And next we have to create a page. So after creating iView, since this iView should go and sit under a page, so for that I am creating a page. The name I am giving, let's say it is a page_demo. Similarly ID also, and then the prefix page ID is com.mycompany.com, and then click next. So it is by you select default page template. So this is the default template for all custom iViews what we are creating, and then click next. So how the page should look like, you will have multiple options. So I am choosing only one with full width. So if you wanted multiple options are there, you can select whatever you wanted. So for this demo application I am choosing one iView with full width. So now we created iView and pages. So now we have to assign the iView to the created page. So now select, right click on the iView. So before that we have to open this iView. Sorry, we have to open the page first. So right click and the right click on the page which we created and click on open page. Right click. Yeah, it is a little slow here. Yeah, open page. So now the page is opened in the right side. Yes. Now come to your content area and right click on the iView created and then click on add iView to page. So choose delta link so that the iView will be added to your page. This is how it will look like, and then you can save it and we can do the preview how this output will look like. So the application which I opened in SE80, so this is the same which is opening from WebDynpro portal. So iView and pages are created. Now we have to create a worksheet to which we have to add the page. So right click on the folder and click on new worksheet. Yeah, as in the previous step, you can specify the name of the worksheet, ID, and then worksheet ID prefix as com.mycompany.com, and then click next. com.mycompany.com, and then next. So now finish. You will get a pop-up. This successfully created. Now click on open worksheet for editing. So and this is very important step. You have to always select the endpoint as selected. So worksheet entry point should be yes. Entry point of this page should be worksheet. So that checkbox should be selected as and then save. So in this demo I am going to create two levels, two hierarchy level. So for that I am going to create two folders under this worksheet. So one is like worksheet folder 1. So and then to create a subfolder under the worksheet folder 1. So worksheet underscore folder 2 and click on OK. Yeah, the two folders. So this is not under subfolder, so it is wrong. So I'm going to delete the second folder, remove. We have to create a subfolder under folder 1. So do the lead select of folder 1. Now create new folder so that it creates a subfolder under folder 1. So let me give the same name as worksheet underscore folder 2 and then click OK. Yes, and now two levels has been created. So this I will show you at the end how this looks like by creating a two levels. So we can close the worksheet now. Yes, so now worksheet is created, already page we have created. So now we have to assign the page to the worksheet. So for that you open worksheet by right clicking on the worksheet, open worksheet. So now click on the page in the left panel and click add page to worksheet by delta link. Yes, so now page is added to your worksheet and then you can click close. So now the last step is creating the role. So by creating the role and assigning the worksheet to this role, and finally assigning the role to the user. Yes, so now right click role, click on role by freestyle roles. You will have multiple options. So let's create freestyle role. You can create a role name as like role underscore demo, and then ID I'm going to give the same name, role underscore demo, and prefix as com.mycompany.com, and then click next, finish. So only one step is there. Yes, finish. So now the role is also successfully created, and we have to move worksheet to the role which we created. For that, right click on the role and open role. Yes, so once the role is open, now in the left panel of so how we created two worksheet folders. So under for roles also we need to create the two levels. Let's say role underscore folder 1, and then similarly create a subfolder for folder 1, so role underscore folder 2, and then click on OK. Also folder 2, now click OK. Yes, so now we created two levels in the roles. Refresh, and then we have to just making sure closed. So I'm just opening again to make sure the folders has been created and it is available. Folder folder open. So now assign the worksheet to this role by add worksheet to role. Yes, so it is done. Now we have to assign this role, custom role underscore demo to the user, to which it tab should be visible. For that, you go to user administration and then enter the user for which it has to be visible. Let's say SRM admin is the user, and then enter. Open this user details and then modify. Go to assigned roles. So you will be able to search with star demo, so you'll be able to see the roles which we created. So first is the role which we created, so right click and add. So this should be available to the added areas. So it is available. Now click on save. So now the new tab should be available to this SRM admin user. So it is nothing but the same user. So I will just log off and log in so that it should be visible. Yes. So I'm just refresh. So I'm making sure that everything is there. On worksheet. Yes, worksheet is there. High view page and the role, everything is available. So let me log off the portal and then I will try to log in again as a SRM admin user. After entering, so you will be able to see the new tab which we created. See, worksheet underscore demo. And then the two tabs, two folders which I created under the worksheet. So you are able to see, right? This is the one. So under that I created a page that is demo. So and for that, under that page I have assigned this WebDynpro application. So this is available and output is also visible. So this is how we have to create a custom application and assigning it to the sub tab of their portal. Thank you for watching this video.